Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to be showing you how to make a pair of shorts.
The materials you will need will be fabric, elastic, pins, scissors and needles.
Fold your shorts and put it over the fabric. Cut it out into 4 pieces. Place the back and the front together like this. Make sure they're inside out.
So along these edges, it should be looking something like this. Place one on top of the other and sew these edges.
Now open it up. Sew these 2 sides. Now is time to hem the bottom edges. Sew them together and now it is really taking shape. Find some nice coloured elastic and sew it on. And there you have them. As you see, they're very nice fitted and comfortable and have a lovely pattern. Hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!